Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This is marketing analytics. Yes, multiple choice questions on marketing analytics MA. This I have compiled in view of scheduled examinations to be held very soon, specifically for MBA final year students. This marketing analytics questions will not be useful only for MBA final year students of AKTU, but also will be useful for other management students at UG and PG level of other different institute or universities. Before I start, I must tell you that please, if you like this video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button and forward it to many those who are in need of this particular knowledge given in this video tutorial. Now directly come to the questions. Question number 1. The closest equivalent to an individual using a website is, options are A, a page impression, B, a unique visitor, C, visit duration, D, a visitor session. Correct option is B, a unique visitor. Question number 2. What is typically proportional to pages per visitors? Options are A, visit duration, B, a unique visitor, C, a page impression, D, a visitor session. Correct option is A, visit duration. Question number 3. A hit is not a useful measure for determining the number of visitors to a website. True or false? So it's true. Hence, correct option is A, true. Question number 4. In browser on tag based measurement system, visits to each page are recorded since each page is loaded into a server user's web browser through the running of a short script program or tag inserted into the web page. Options are A, true, B, false. Correct option is A, true. Now move to next slide. Question number 5. Site reach is an example of e-commerce effectiveness measure in the category of dash. Options are A, channel satisfaction, B, channel contribution, C, channel outcomes, D, channel promotion. Correct option is D, channel promotion. Question number 6. Number of sales or leads is an example of e-commerce effectiveness measure in the category of dash. A, channel outcomes, B, channel contribution, C, channel satisfaction, D, channel promotion. Correct option is A, channel outcomes. Question number 7. A/B testing is a measurement approach that can be used to. Options are A, modify a menu name on a navigation bar, B, improve a data capture form, C, optimize a landing page design, D, improve the effectiveness of a promotional graphic in a website container. Correct option is C, optimize a landing page design. Now move to next slide. Question number 8. Conversion rate is a measure that can be used to. Options are A, modify a menu name on a navigation bar, B, optimize a landing page design, C, improve the effectiveness of a promotional graphic in a website container and improve a data capture form, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 9. Dash is the online metrics collection method which involves analysis of pages and content downloaded from a website to a user's browser. Options are A, panel and demographic data, B. online survey, C. browser-based or tag-based web analytics, D. server-based log file analytics. Correct option is D. server-based log file analytics. Now move to next slide. Question number 10. DAS is the online metrics collection method which involves gaining direct user feedback on a website. Options are A. panel and demographic data, B. browser-based or tag-based web analytics, C. online survey, D. server-based log file analysis. Correct option is C. server online survey. Question number 11. What success factor for effective management of a website involves the right responsibilities for different content management roles such as authoring, reviewing, and testing? Options are A. technology, B. metrics, C. people, D. process. Correct option is C. people. Question number 12. What success factor for effective management of a website involves a procedure for identifying the need for change and then controlling updates? Options are A. process, B. people, C. technology, D. metrics. Correct option is A. process. Question number 13. DAS is the stage of content management life cycle that involves creating a document and inserting images. Options are A. review, B. correct, C. write, D. publish. Correct option is C. write. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large, the correct options are highlighted. In case of any discrepancy, you will get in my narration. Question number 14. DAS is the stage of the content management life cycle that involves flagging and changes in the workflow system which are then checked. Options are A. correct, B. publish, C. write, D. review. Correct option is D. review. Question number 15. Primary data consists of information that already exists somewhere having been collected for another purpose. Options are A. true, B. false. Correct option is B. false. Question number 16. Survey research is the most widely used method for primary data collection. Options are A. true, B. false. Correct option is A. true. Now move to next slide. Question number 17. Which of the following statements is true? Options are A. primary data can usually be obtained more quickly and at a lower cost than secondary data. B. marketing intelligence is the systematic collection and analysis of non-public information about consumers, competitors, and developments in the marketplace. C. marketing intelligence is the systematic collection and analysis of public available information about consumers, competitors, and developments in the marketplace. D. none of the above. Correct option is B. marketing intelligence is the systematic collection and analysis of non-public information about consumers, competitors, and developments in the marketplace. Question number 18. According to the marketing information system, the marketing environment are described as which of the following? Options are A. Analysis, planning, implementation and control. B. Internal databases, information analysis, marketing intelligence. C. Target markets, marketing channels, competitors, publics, macro environment forces. D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Target markets, marketing channels, competitors, publics, macro environment forces. Now move to next slide. Question number 19. The exploratory research refers to the following. To which of the following? Options are A. To gather preliminary information that will help define the problem and suggest hypothesis. B. To gather 100% correct information that will help to define the problem and lead to a definitive decision. C. Aims to describe who buy the product. D. All of the above. Correct option is A. To gather preliminary information that will help define the problem and suggest hypothesis. Question number 20. What does the term CRM stand for? A. Customer relationship management. B. Customer relationship marketing. C. Consumer relationship management. D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Customer relationship management. This is all about this video tutorial. Thank you. Please like, share and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and forward it to many those who are needy for the same. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Thank you. Best of luck.